Hello everybody and welcome to Little Tree English, an English learning channel for young learners or new beginners. Our English lessons are designed to be short and concise in a lesson format for easy learning and understanding. Our topics are about learning new words, sounds, sentence structures, reading skills and using English in a one-to-one roleplay. Please support our learning journey together by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Let's begin. Our lesson today is Phonics 11, the magic E. A, I, O, and U sounds. A, I, O, U. A, cap. A, cape. Cap, cape. Pin. I, pine. Pin, pine. O, hop. O, hope. Hop, hope. Cub. U, cube. Cub, cube. Look, read, and check the sentence. Put the cub into a glass, or put the cube into a glass. Put the cube into a glass. I poked the balloon with a pin. I poke the balloon with a pine. I poke the balloon with a pin. The boy likes his green cap. The boy likes his green cape. The boy likes his green cape. Two rabbits hop quickly. Two rabbits hop quickly. Two rabbits hop quickly. Let's review the phonics sounds. A, cap. A, cape. I, pin. I, pine. O, hop. O, hope. Cub. U, cube. We're at the end of our lesson. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on new content. Have a great day and see you soon. Goodbye.